In today's video, we're going to take a look at how to change specs in a Plant 3D drawing and have them the properties of the change, the change properties in the spec must reflect now back in an existing isometric drawing that we've created. So first I'm going to do is just create a new drawing quickly, and then we'll get into the whole drawing process. Let's make it test 22. And I've created just a very simple spec. It's got three parts: elbow, a pipe, and a T. And we'll see there just the name of the spec is spec change. So I'm going to root a new line, give it a number. Let's make it 1, 2, 3, 4 to be simple. Assign, and we can start drawing. $1,000. Let's go up. 4,500. And let's go to the side, 4,500 as well. Okay, so once that's done, let's go put in some T's just to give it a bit of texture, a bit more opportunities in here, and let's go and save the drawing. Now, once this is done, what we can do is we can go and create a ISO from it. Okay, so just remember, when you do create an ISO, you need to have a line number. Okay, so that's the 1, 2, 3, 4 that I created. I'm going to say that the style is final A3. I'm going to go and create. Now let's take a look at what it says in the bill of materials for my ISO that I've created. You'll see over there, I've got here pipe spec change 4 and pipe spec change 3. Now I think, let's say I've made a bit of a mistake and actually want this to go back to pipe spec change 3. So let us see how we can modify that. I'm just going to go close and save this. And I'm going to go back to my pipe specs and I'm going to go edit pipe spec. Check for spec, not check for spec updates. I'm going to go and, just go down to my pipe spec over here and edit spec. It brings up the spec editor. Now what we'll notice is that the spec that we've got open is from project 10. Okay, and if I go to my catalog editor, that's where the catalog is sitting. So now let's go and change the item in the catalog. So what we're going to do over here now is we're going to choose the pipe. So it's going to go filter out pipe. And let's just also do a part category as well. It just makes it easier to find the component that I'm looking for. There it is, pipe spec change 4. And they're going to go to up over here, go to property editor, and let's go and change the long description family name to 3. Okay. Actually, no, let's make it 5. We're going up sequentially. Okay, then click on OK. So you'll see there, it makes a change over there. I'm going to make a save, and then I'm going to reset my filters. Let's go to the T, so it's under fittings, and then let's go look for the T that I had placed in there. And there's T spec change 4, property editor, and then let's go and change that to 5. Okay. So once that's done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my spec editor over here. You'll see there's my project 10 spec sheet, spec change, and I'm going to go to check updates from the catalog. Okay, there are updates. Select that. Now what I'm also going to do is I'm just going to go and open up another, open up the original one that's sitting, my original spec change over here, and I'm going to go and update that as well. Okay, and we'll see in a moment why. So once that's done, just click on save everything and close this up over here. Now, what we need to do over here now is go to our pipe specs and check for spec updates. It tells me that an update has been done. Say yes, and there we go. So now let's run our production ISO and let's see what's happening here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, overwrite if existing and create. Okay, it's created it. We go to our ISO, double click on it, and you'll see it's now changed to pipe spec change 5 and T spec change 5. Now, the additional step that I did there was I opened up the spec which gets copied whenever I create a new project. So what happens now if I want to create a new project? So we go new project, project 11, that's fine. Metric, just go through all the motions. And let's see what happens with this over there. Will it still say 5 or will it still say 4? Just save all the drawings that I need to do. Okay, so let's go and create a new drawing. Let's go make it test 55. We will then go and choose a line number, or this is 4321. And let's go and route a pipe. Put in some T's. Okay. And just to show you, if we go down to our spec change over here, you'll see that this is now sitting under Documents Project 11 and not Project 10. So once that's done, we can go to our ISOs, Production ISO, and let's just click on Create, clicking on Override of Existing, that's force of habit. And let's go see what it says in our ISO over here. So take a look at our bill of materials. There's Spec Change 5 and Spec Change 5. So that's what we've just done. So we've just quickly gone and created some piping runs. And what we've done is we decided that there was a bit of a description change that needs to happen. We went to our catalog, changed the part in over there, and then updated all the specs that we needed to, as well as the one that we need to update if we wanted to create new projects and have the updated information that we had. Thank you very much for watching.